I was like, come Anthony, come. No, he doesn't come. Cho'Gath comes and gets me killed. Yeah, guy.
Oh no.
Wow, Siva's so shit, man.
Excuse me?
Siva's so shit, bro. Feeding everyone.
How mean are you?
Oh, I thought you were saying Andy. Okay, my bad.
I didn't understand what Michael was going on. Like, Siva's so shit. For what? I don't know.
You know, Michael, it wouldn't kill Garu whenever I kill him in late game.
Yeah, you know if you didn't kill my wolf, I would have ganked you by now.
It wasn't my fault.
I don't
I told you
understand.
not to deal too much damage to it.
Then stop.
I like twice.
Then stop leashing
Just
Wolf.
twice.
Twice is 2 stacks.
2 stacks is a lot of damage already.
At low level, it completely is.
Just give it.
Fucking that.
Here's the deal. How about I gank you when you're dead?
Oi.
Fine, I'll just go back and you take the lane.
Who says I'll take your lane?
He said it okay.
Yeah, take the lane. It's been game for me.
I'm not ganking until I'm 6 man. I need
Damien,
stealth to survive that guy.
I don't
you
think that's
might-
considered ganking if it's taking over
No,
your
Michael,
lane.
trust me. You can't go now before Garen goes 6.
He's 7.
He's up 6, now he's 7.
Wait, what level are you guys?
I'm 7.
I died.
Okay.
How the
Damn
fuck
it!
did food poisoning get to you?
We were right.
Oh my god. Fuck, that's so gay.
Dad, how you?
Freaking my mom's trying to get my attention, comes on my side, freaking jabs me, and then I get executed. Couldn't even chuck my skill.
Jabs. Wait, like punch jabs you? Like hurt?
No, like jab in the hip.
Or like the ticklish part.
Why?
You see, stunned in real life. Should have smiled in advance.
What was your mum trying to get your attention for again?
To lock the door.
She couldn't.
Why can't your mom do it?
Yeah.
Only God knows the answer.
When like the mom brings the garbage bag upstairs and then tells the long person to bring it out. But you would have just walked outside instead of walking upstairs. And yeah.
Oh my god. Why do they do that? It's like
Take out the garbage and she's annoying him and dies.
like when my parents tell me to do something.
I'm trying to get a print of your quadrant shut down.